I am Mara Cifuentes, student nurse from Matthew Doctors College, and I will be going to perform the cleaning of toilet and bathroom. Scrub tiled walls with soap and water. Then, rinse thoroughly. Flush the toilet and clean with soap and toilet mop or brush. Flush to rinse the inside part. If a stain cannot be removed with soap, use Dutch cleanser or small amount of caustic, rubbing it with mop or brush, and be careful that the water does not splash to your face, cause it burns. Clean the outside of the bowl with soap and water, rinse thoroughly. For metal accessories, use metal polish. Scrub the floor with soap and water and rinse. Wipe the walls and outside of toilet bowls. Replenish the supply of toilet paper and soap if provided by the hospital.